In ancient times, a clever fox and a man were the best of friends. One day, the man approached the fox with a proposal. Will you be the tutor for the children in my village? The fox, eager for the opportunity, agreed, saying, bring the children starting tomorrow. And a man brought children. Days passed, and the man inquired about the children's progress. The fox replied, they are studying well. Curious to see for himself, the man insisted, I want to see the children. The fox cleverly evaded the request, saying, not today. This went on for several days until the man, frustrated, demanded, I must see them. In a moment of annoyance, the clever fox said, go look into my den. The man, feeling uneasy, obeyed and was horrified to discover the bones of children hidden there. Enraged, he drew his axe and chased the fox. The fox, quick and agile, darted away, eventually finding refuge on a branch of a dead tree. The man caught up, seizing what he thought was the fox's tail. Now I will end you, he declared. The clever fox smirked and said, you're holding a branch, not my tail. Realizing he had been tricked, the man let go, and the fox escaped. But the man was not to be fooled again. He chased after the fox, catching him by the tail once more. This time, I won't be tricked, he vowed, drawing his axe. The fox, knowing his time was up, could only watch as the man, in a final moment of vengeance, struck him down. And so, the tale reminds us that cleverness can protect one for a time, but sometimes it cannot save us from the consequences of our actions.